Alright, hello guys. So in this video, we're going to quickly show you how to do an auxiliary view. So we already make our parts. So as you can see in the previous tab, we already make our part. We already make our auxiliary view. So you guys already know how to do that. So from this part, we already have our first drawing, right? Or you guys going to make a drawing like this. You guys already know how to as well on the table and everything. You guys have the materials there and everything that you guys need. So let's just make the auxiliary view for that slanted part. So if you're in this drawing, right, we go into the base view, we click it, and I'm just gonna put, scale 1 to 2, and it's gonna look something like this. So press OK, and once again, you can, toggle off the peg, and so that way, we only have the slanted base. So from this one, we are going to make our projected view. So you can see that from here, I click, and this is how it looks from the side, and this is how it's going to look from the top. So I'm just going to do those for now. So you can see that, right, according from what we laid to the auxiliary views, that these views are kind of distorted, right? We don't have the correct view. We don't see this actual view right here, the slanted one. In either of the ones views that we have here, these dimensions are distorted. So what we are going to do is we're going to go over here where it says auxiliary view, and we're going to click on that one and click on that selected edge, right? And you can see that we got that view now. So I'm going to press OK. I'm going to fix some of those things. Move it just slightly here so that it all fits. So I'm going to move it like that. So yeah, so that's the auxiliary view. So you can see in this one, we see the circle that's not distorted. In all the other views, this circle or this, hole essentially looks slanted. You see kind of like an oval shape. But in this one, we see that actual shape. We see the nice rectangle from the slanted view. We need the circle that's perfectly centered. So I'm going to put that center mark, right? And it shows the perfect circle. So I'm going to delete this view because I just need essentially this view. So I need the auxiliary view. This will be, technically this is the front view, right? So I'm just gonna add that note just in there, just for reference. So this is the front view. Hopefully you guys did make your part from the front, so it should look like that. So let me just write that again. So front view. And the next one will be the right view. And then this one will be my auxiliary view, auxiliary. And that's it. This is the first auxiliary view, right? We don't have a second view because this one is not necessarily like double slanted, but this is how it looks like. So of course, continue adding all the parts you need, the dimensions, adding all the stuff that you need, right? For the circles and the holes and your dimensions and whatnot, right? So all of those stuff and so on. So one more thing, I guess, just to help you with the dimensions is that to dimension, the size of the circle, yes, it is 1.57. That's what this one is basically showing us, right? So one thing I can modify this is by double clicking. I put the number there. You see where my cursor is at, and I'm gonna go insert symbol, insert the diameter, and close. Just so that I'm showing you, from one view, I could delete this one. That that hole that we see right there, this is a diameter dimension. It's not like a length, it's a diameter by that sign right there. So continue adding all the other dimensions, right? All the ones that we need, and that's essentially how you're gonna be doing this. So that's it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.